Welcome to the online lecture series of Turbo Machines. Here is Professor Lakshman Mane. This is lecture on impact of jet part 4, that is hinged plate. This is acknowledgement to the following authors and internet resource for being used the concepts to make this video session. In this session you will be able to explain expression for force exerted on hinged plate. Also, you will be able to solve numerical on hinged plate. Let us see impact of jet on hinged plate. So, here is a hinged plate, that is a plate vertically in a position and it is hinged at point O. A jet of water striking to this plate. So in this case there are two types of arrangement. First, when the plate is held by external force P. So here is a external force P which is applied in opposite direction. Second arrangement, when the plate is deflected through angle theta. So here in this case, by the application of jet, this plate is deflected through angle theta about the point O. Here now we will see a formula for the external force P. So for that, the case is when the plate is held by external force P. So already we have discussed in this about this diagram. So in this case, a force that is considered by the jet on the plate, that is F, and that is held by the external force P. So it means that to keep this plate in vertical position, this is the external force P. Now the weight of this plate is W, that is acting through its center of gravity, that is a point G. Now here if we want to have formula for the P, then we can use here equilibrium condition. So under equilibrium condition we can take moments of the forces about the point O. So let us take sigma O, means summation of all the moments about the point O is equal to 0. Now in this case we will use the sign convention, that all the moments which are clockwise will be taken as positive and all the moments which are anti-clockwise are taken as negative. So now movement due to the force F multiplied by the distance between this line of action of force and point O, that is OL. So F into OL is the movement due to force, but as the movement is in an anti-clockwise direction, sign is negative. Then movement due to force, external force P. So P multiplied by distance between the line of action of this force and hinge point, that is distance OG. So P into OG is a moment and this is in clockwise direction about the point O, that's why sign is plus. Now weight W is passing through itself the line of action through point O. So that's why distance between this weight and hinge is 0. Hence now simplifying the equation, we can have F into OL is equal to P into OG. So in the form of P, the equation will be F into OL upon OG. This equation is used to find out the value of P in the numerical. Now if we want to find F, then this is the flat case, flat plate. So that's why for flat plate, force exerted by jet is already we have derived, that is rho a v square. Now the second case, when the plate is deflected, in this case weight, then force by jet and external force are as it is. The only difference is, in this case the plate is deflected by the angle theta. So theta is angle made by the plate with vertical line. So in this case we need trigonometry. So we will have relation cos theta and sin theta. So if we take the triangle OKG, so OKG, this is a triangle. In this triangle, if we take cos theta, then we will have the relation between OK. OK is what? Is equal to OG cos theta. And KG is what? OG sin theta. Now similarly here we take summation of moments due to the all forces about the point O is equal to 0, and also same kind sign convention as discussed earlier. So here we have equation minus F, that is force multiplied by distance OL, plus P into distance OK, plus W into distance kg, because this is a W line of action and this is a O line of action. So this is distance between these two, that is kg, is equal to 0. So here separating the terms, we have equation F into OL is equal to P into OK. Now for the OK we substitute OG cos theta plus W into, for the kg we substitute OG sin theta. Hence we have this relation, that is F into OL distance is equal to P into OG cos theta plus W into OG sin theta. So this expression we use in the numerical. Now let us have relation between force and W. So in this diagram, now here this is the angle theta. Now when the plate is deflected, then that line of action is line OD. So on this OD line the force that is normal, that is Fn. So here the relation between Fn and F will be what? Fn is equal to F cos theta, because the angle is theta. You can see over here also. Okay, so F cos theta will be what? Fn. Now again here we need trigonometry. So that's why here we will have some trigonometrical relations. Let us see. So cos theta is equal to OG upon OD, means the triangle OGD. So in this triangle here cos theta is adjacent side, that is OG, divided by hypotenuse, that is OD. That's why OD can be written as OG upon cos theta. Now we will have another triangle. That triangle means BG1 OG1. So this is a BG1 and this is a OG1. These are the two sides of the triangle, means triangle is what? OBG1. So in this triangle we will have ratio sin theta. So sin theta ratio is what? Front side divided by hypotenuse. So that's why BG1 upon OG1. Hence we can write for the BG1, BG1 will be equal to OG1 sin theta. Now as the plate is deflecting about the point O, its center of gravity is also moving in this dotted line, means in this case OG distance and OG1 distance will be same. Thus we can write here at the place OG1 OG, means here we will have BG1 is equal to OG sin theta. Now we will have equilibrium condition. For that we can have moment of the force Fn about hinge point, that is anti-clockwise movement, that is equal to moment due to the weight about the point hinge, this weight about the point hinge, that is clockwise movement. So now we will have the moment equation Fn into distance OD is equal to W into distance Bg1. Now as we have already mentioned Fn is equal to F cos theta, so here Fn will be replaced by F cos theta. Then OD, for the OD we have already this relation, that is OG upon cos theta, so we have written this here. Then W into, for the Bg1 already we have mentioned OG sin theta, so we have written here OG sin theta. Now in this case cancellation of terms means cos theta and this cos theta getting cancelled. This OG on one side of the equation will be cancelled with OG on another side. So what remains? F is equal to W sin theta. So that is the relation we get between the F, W and theta. Now numerical on hinged plate. So here is a statement given: one rectangular plate of weight 60 Newton is suspended vertically by a hinge, that is O. The center of gravity is 100 mm below, means distance OG 100 mm. A horizontal jet of 20 mm diameter whose axis is 150 mm below hinge. So distance of jet axis below hinge, that is distance O to L, that is given 150 mm. Now the jet velocity is given 5 meter per second. Now we are asked to find first horizontal force applied at the center of gravity. Horizontal force applied at the center of gravity to maintain this plate, means this P we have to calculate. Then second, when the plate will be deflected through 30-degree angle, then their velocity in that situation, that is to be calculated. So first of all what we will do, we will have the calculation for F, as F is rho AV square, A is pi by 4 into D square, and D is given that in mm to meter conversion. Then its square, velocity square, rho 1000 normally we take, kg per meter cube, pi by 4. So this calculation F is equal to 7.8539 Newton we get. So now when the plate is held by external force, here F we calculated, OL distance 150 mm, OG distance 100 mm we know. Now directly from the theory we have already discussed about this relation, so that already we have derived that we will use here. So that is P is equal to F into OL upon OG. So in this directly we will put value of OL, that is 150, value of OG, that is 100, and F value, that is calculated 7.8539. So we get here horizontal force applied at the center of gravity here, that is 11.78 Newton here. Now when the plate is deflected, our aim is what? To find the velocity. So here whatever are the known value that already we taken from the earlier slide. So OL is given 150, OG is 100 mm, theta angle is 30 degree, weight of the plate is 60 Newton, and we already calculated P, that is 11.78 Newton. Now our aim is what? Calculate V. So here this is the relation from the theory, directly we write here. So F into OL is equal to P into OG cos theta plus W into OG sin theta. So now here we will put value of OL 150. P 11.78, OG 100, cos angle 30 plus W is 60 multiplied by sine angle 30. So here we get value of F, that is 26.8 Newton. Okay, now F is equal to rho AV square. So here is a known value F and unknown value is velocity. So we will put here 26.8 is equal to rho 1000 kg per meter cube pi by 4 into area, that is pi by 4 into d square. So this is a diameter, already we know this. So we take this, take a square, velocity square, then v square is equal to 85.35. Then we take square root and then we get velocity of jet if the plate is deflected, that is 9.238 meter per sec. So in this way, now you can illustrate expression for force exerted on heat plate, and also you can solve numerical on heat plate. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. Thank you.